Books and Authors 2022 from January to March. Who is the author of the book The Little Book of Joy? Dalai Lama and Desmond Tutu. Who is the author of the book The Legend of Birsa Munda? Tuhin A. Sinha and Ankit Verma. Who has written the book Tomb of Sand? Gitanjali Sri. Who has written the book Ratan N. Tata, The Authorized Biography? Thomas Matthew. Who is the author of the book On Board My Years in BCCI? Ratnakar Sethi. Who has written the book How to Prevent the Next Pandemic? Bill Gates. Who is the author of the book More Than Just Surgery, Life Lesson Beyond the OT? Dr. Tehentan Iraq Udwadia. Who is the author of the book On Field Barrels, India's Oil Story? Richa Mishra. Who has written the book Rahul Bajaj, An Extraordinary Life? Geeta Piramal. Who is the author of the book The Blue Book, A Writer's Journal? Amitava Kumar. Who is the author of the book The Millennial Yogi, A Modern Day Parable About Reclaiming One's Life? Deepam Chatterjee. Former Indian cricketers Kapil Dev and Sunil Gavaskar have released the autobiography titled Rest Assured. Whose autobiography is this? Gundappa Vishwanath. Who is the author of the book The Great Tech Game, Shaping Geopolitics and the Destinies of Nations? Anirudh Suri. Whose autobiography Ungli Oruban has been launched by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi? M.K. Stalin. Who is the author of the book A History of Sriniketan, Rabindranath Tagore's pioneering work in rural construction? Umadas Gupta. Who is the author of the book The Queen of Indian Pop, The Authorized Biography of Usha Uthup? Vikash Kumar Jha. Who is the author of the book Dignity in a Digital Age, Making Tech Work for All of Us? Aro Khanna. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavya has released a book titled A Nation to Protect. Who has written this book? Priyam Gandhi Modi. Who is the author of the Book of Bihari Literature? Abhay K. Who is the author of book titled India That is Bharat, Coloniality, Civilization, Constitution? J. Shai Deepak. Who is the author of the book India-Africa Relations, Changing Horizons? Rajiv Bhatia. Who is the author of the book Atal Bihari Vajpayee, written on the biography of the former Prime Minister of India? Sagarika Ghosh. Who is the author of the book Fearless Governance? Kiran Bedi. Who is the author of the book Golden Boy Neeraj Chopra? Navdeep Singh Gill. Who is the author of the book Udaan Ek Mazdoor Bacche Ki? Mithilesh Tiwari. Who has authored the book The Class of 2006, Sneak Peek into the Misadventures of Great Indian Engineering Life? Akash Kansal. The National Academy of Letters, Sahitya Academy of India has published a book named Monsoon on the occasion of its 68th anniversary. Who is the author of this book? Abhay K. Who is the author of the book titled The $10 Trillion Dream? Subhash Chandra Garg. Who is the author of the book A Little Book of India? Ruskin Bund. Who has written the book The Angles of Kailash? Subira Prasad. Who has written the book Gandhi's Ascent, The Making of Nathuram Godse and His Idea of India? Dhirendra Jha. Who has written the book Bose, The Untold Story of an Inconvenient Nationalist? Chandrachud Ghosh. Who is the author of the book Indomitable, A Working Woman's Notes on Work Life and Leadership? Arundhati Bhattacharya. Who is the author of the book Mamata Beyond 2021? Jayanta Ghoshal. Who is the author of the book titled Operation Khatma? R.C. Ganju and Ashwini Bhatnagar. Who is the author of the book Burgundy Winters in Europe? Pranay Patil. Who is the author of the book Soli Sarabji, Life and Times, an Authorized Biography? Abhinav Chandrachud. Who wrote the book India's Women Unsung Heroes? Meenakshi Lekhi. Who wrote the book Human: How the United States Abandoned Peace and Reinvented War? Samuel Moyn. Author of the book titled Spurti Pradatta Sri Soumya, released by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. K. Shyam Prasad.